Hi everyone, welcome. Today I have SONOS 5 speaker and I'm going to show you how can you easily change the room where our speaker is located. At first we have to open our SONOS app. Now we have to click on this gear icon over here. Now we have to click on our hard reset. Now we have to click on room. Now we can change our room from room name hard reset to bathroom, bedroom, then dining room, family room, foyer, garage, garden, guest room, hallway, kitchen, library, living room, lounge, main bedroom, media room, office, patio, playroom, pool, portable or TV room. Or we can change our custom name from HardReset to HardReset.Info. That's it, hope it helps you, goodbye.